Look at this Jamaican beef patty. This is why we had to stop. Hey Fantastic family, welcome back guys to another video. Today we're on the road, we're getting some food and we are taking you guys on the journey with us. Say hi guys. So people, we went to Golden Crust to get some patties, right? Tell me why RJ asking me if I prefer tasty patty or Golden Crust. Why? Tasty patty, of course, because we don't I don't have a choice. I don't have a choice. So it cost $17.42. Guys, that's a lot of money. $17.42 for 4 patties. Yeah. So guys, this is the appetizer. Ooh, appetizer. We're still gonna go for the
main dish.
Yes. This is just the start. This is just the touch up. All right. Stay tuned.
If I could have any food to eat for the rest of my life, it would be this shrimp patty. Nothing can beat it. Nothing can beat it.
The shrimp?
Yeah. 100%. Name one patty that's better than it, other than jerk chicken.
Beef patty.
I think you got to messed it up with the best and the mid. Mid is.
Beef is the best.
No, shrimp. No, jerk chicken's the best, but shrimp is like the one that I would eat.
On a scale, I'd give it like a 2.
What? For beef patty, I would put it at a 5. Shrimp is 9 and jerk chicken is at 10. And then.
And this is the spicy.
Oh, the curry chicken one is at 8.
Oh,
it's really nice.
I would give that spicy? Probably. Maybe the curry chicken could get a 4.
$4?
And what would you rate beef?
This tastes good. I'd give this a
0.
A 7. Boy.
Okay, baby.
Name anything better.
Better.
One tasty patty.
It's hot.
Okay. What is my picky brother doing?
Do you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
It's Chinese. Hot.
Zaya,
That's fun.
Zaya, would you let me have a piece?
Please.
You're sharing with your brother? Are you sharing? Alright guys, so we are heading to Walmart. There's a little Jamaican aisle in Walmart and we're going in there to see if we can get some stuff. What do they have?
Yes.
These Jamaican beef patties from Caribbean Food Delights, they are really good. They have the beefy cheese, the mild beef. They also have spicy, and I think they have the chicken patties. Guys, when I say top tier, just put them in the air fryer and you're good to go. So here we are. We found a slice of the Caribbean in Walmart, and the kids found Bigfoot. These were priced at 84 cents, and it was way more expensive, way more affordable than when we purchased it online. And of course, the kids took everything. We also grabbed some peanut punch. The others we have at home because there's a Caribbean store close to us, so we stocked up on all the other stuff. So RJ is supposed to be looking for stuff for our Mystery Munch, which is a series on our channel. Guys, where's he going with this giant taco? Anyway, our next stop is going to be Dave's Hot Chicken to get some food. This is the final stop for the evening. RJ went in and he got the spicy tenders and sliders. We didn't purchase anything because the menu wasn't so fascinating to us. Have you ever been to Dave's Hot Chicken? If so, can you recommend something for our next trip? Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.